ZAC-1350 US stock cutting plotter machine review. Wide format precision in real production.
If you run a sign shop or vinyl side hustle, you already know the feeling. A large decal job comes in and your smaller cutter simply cannot handle the width. You start tiling designs, lining up seams, hoping nothing shifts. Hours disappear. I have watched shop owners stay late on a Sunday night just to fix tracking errors from long cuts gone wrong. The quiet frustration builds as material feeds slightly off, wasting expensive vinyl. And here is the thing. It is not just about speed. It is about trust in your equipment. When your machine hesitates, your workflow stalls. Have you ever lost time recutting a design because the alignment drifted halfway through? That ongoing uncertainty slowly drains your momentum. You double-check pinch rollers, you recalibrate blade depth, you slow the speed down just to avoid ruining another long graphic. The tension sits in your shoulders while the cutter hums in the background. And when you are working with 10-meter runs for vehicle graphics or banners, even a small deviation becomes expensive. Let me explain. It is rarely one dramatic failure. It is small tracking shifts, uneven pressure, or inconsistent contour alignment that quietly eat into profit margins. You start questioning every large order instead of welcoming it. Over time, that hesitation limits growth more than people realize. You need width, yes, but you also need consistent precision, stable feeding, and software that does not fight your workflow. Otherwise, you are just scaling frustration instead of scaling production. Then everything changed when I worked with the ZAC-1350 US stock cutting plotter machine. Don't just pick any vinyl cutter. Make sure it has wide 53-inch media support and plus or minus 0.01 millimeters accuracy, so you never suffer long-run tracking errors again. This machine is built for larger format confidence. With a maximum media width of 1,350 millimeters and a cutting width of 1,260 millimeters, it handles full vehicle decals and banners without constant tiling. The stepper motor delivers controlled, consistent movement, while adjustable speed from 20 to 800 millimeters per second lets you balance detail and efficiency. SignMaster software ties the workflow together with contour cutting and batch processing that feels practical, not overwhelming. In daily use, the difference shows up quickly. The heavy-duty floor stand with caster wheels keeps the frame stable during longer cuts, reducing vibration that can cause skewing. The D-type mainboard and 16 megabytes cache support smoother data handling, especially on detailed designs imported through SignMaster. An industry reviewer noted that similar 53-inch cutters with stepper motors maintain precision over long distances when properly calibrated, and users have reported no noticeable deviation even after extended 10-meter runs. One sign-making professional shared that it cuts window tint patterns cleanly and consistently for business use. A small shop owner mentioned that after initial calibration, production felt predictable and low stress. Now, a realistic note. Large format machines require space and proper setup, and beginners should expect a learning curve with blade depth and offset. But once dialed in, the workflow becomes calmer and more controlled. If precision and width both matter, this is where the conversation shifts naturally. The ZAC-1350 US stock cutting plotter machine is about moving from careful compromise to confident production. You gain wide format capacity, verified plus or minus 0.01 millimeters accuracy, adjustable speed control, and stable long-run performance in one system. Many growing sign shops and vinyl businesses rely on machines in this class to expand output without outsourcing large jobs. If you are ready to explore it further, you can find the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. Take your time, review the specifications, and see if it fits your workflow. Growth feels better when your equipment keeps up.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.